Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree looking at their Christmas decor, so come with me. So as we're walking around looking at all of the beautiful Christmas stuff in the Dollar Tree, I wanted to tell you that this was a collaboration and it's called the 12 Days of Christmas Countdown by the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. I'm going to be listing the host, which is Lady Allie from Glam Elegant Living, along with all of the co-hostesses and myself, along with the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and let's get started with the 12 days of countdown for Christmas. I am so excited. So while they're still unloading things, I can still show you a lot of the stuff that is out on the shelf right now, and it is gorgeous. There is a lot of new stuff, there is a lot of repeat stuff, but one of the things that caught my attention is they are bringing a lot of ethnic things out, and I'm really loving that. So here we have the ornaments, and so there are a few items that are new, a lot of items aren't, but I'm enjoying it. Either way, I'll point things out as we go along. So as you can see, the buffalo check in the red and a little bit of the black came out. These ornaments right here are new, at least to my Dollar Tree. I've never seen them before, and these are really nice. They also came out. I'm absolutely loving those Santas. They look antique. I don't know, they look vintage. I love those. So I'm going to pick up a couple of those, and then we're going to move on to, these are the mason jar, the wooden plaques, and they're pretty thick. You can actually DIY this and put anything or personalize anything on it. So those are some ideas that you can use with those. And as we're moving along, we're going to see all those ornaments. We can make so many nice things, even the wreaths. So these are some of the ethnic, different little decor pieces that you can either redo or just hang, around your house as you're decorating. Here's the Santa. I thought that was really cute. The other one was the elf, and here's some more elf signs. Pretty awesome, huh? So what I wanted to mention is right next to those iridescent ornaments, which I'm absolutely loving, there is the ballerina, and then you have the unicorn. They do have the icicles that have the battery operated, so they light. And then I'm loving these stars right here, and here's the cross. Well, I said the cross, but those are really stars. They just remind me of a cross. So those are really beautiful. I think I'm going to make a wreath with that. So there's an idea. And now we're moving on over here to some other ornaments. You have the bells. You have the buffalo check bows. They have some beautiful bows. And some of them I spotted were velvet. So those are really nice. So now these are some of the items I was talking about. These are the ornament plaques, and as you can see, those have the ethnic backgrounds. I'm absolutely loving that. And here's another one with the angel. Isn't that beautiful? So if you didn't notice, they also had the advent calendars, the countdown till Christmas. So I thought that was pretty awesome. Now we're moving on over to the beautiful looking gift boxes, and they come in multiple sizes. Aren't they gorgeous? I think these are absolutely beautiful. I just want to take a moment and thank the hosts and the co-hostesses for this collaboration. And don't forget to head on over to that playlist so you can see all of the other decor ideas that the other beautiful women have. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.